Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify whether the NLTK library is present into your system or not. So in order to verify the presence of the NLTK library, we will be using the VS Code. So after opening the VS Code, head on to the VS Code terminal and type in the following command, which is pip show NLTK. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has given me the name of the package, the version of the NLTK module, as well as its location. So that's how you can verify whether the NLTK library is present in your system or not, especially if it is interfering or causing any issues with another processes or programs. If they had not been installed or is not present on the system, then it would have returned me with a module not found message. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.